The business is rapidly changing. To remain as a business leader, PMI drives transformation internally, externally, and in terms of products. This transformation, of course, requires an agile business model to overcome all of the challenges and turbulent and unpredictable global industries. Asia supply chain management also upholds this value at heart. We answer these dynamic changes of the business with creativity and agility to add value to the organization. One of the keys is to transform ideas into strategic plans and executions.
Hi guys, we need to think about Asia SCM transformation as well.
On procurement side, we lead the organizational transformation through harmonizing Asia Region Procurement project that aims to create synergy within all Asia-Pacific affiliates' procurement processes. One part of HARP project is Procurement Shared Service Center. With continuous improvement spirit accommodating PMI's transformation, we bring the success story of our SSC in PO management back in 2014, which eventually were transferred to Finance Services Center. Afterwards, procurement enlarged and enhanced its shared service center scope to cover sourcing activity, which is called Procurement SSC Tactical Sourcing and Process Excellence, located in Surabaya, Indonesia. Procurement SSC, besides as tactical sourcing, will also help on tendering management for markets and region, and also as one point of contact for all tendering documents for audit trails. To align with global, procurement team went to Krakow to have benchmark with the Procurement Center Europe, which has been set up for the EU region. Migration and centralization were then agreed during the procurement workshop held in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia on December 2016. As part of migration process, Procurement SSC team keeps a close coordination with affiliates, doing fit and gap analysis. And finally, a new standardized process is constructed and responsibilities and accountabilities matrix is set up. Procurement SSC Tactical Sourcing focuses the scope on medium to low sourcing complexity. Procurement SSC aims to give more room for affiliates' procurement to focus more on strategic sourcing, deliver more sustainable contributions, as well as build professional relationship with key business users, and for regional sourcing team to focus on regional strategic sourcing and global initiative deployment. The migration journey of the Procurement SSC Tactical Sourcing was started in February 2017 and is expected to be completed this year. Now, as some of the affiliates are on board, let's hear how they feel about Procurement SSC.
Hi, good morning. I'm Andy from Procurement Indonesia. We have implemented front, mid, and back office, and I would like to thank Procurement SSC who support us in implementing this concept and also enable us delivering its benefit as what had been expected. Since January 2017, Procurement SSC helped my team and cover almost all categories: marketing and sales, professional services, travel, logistics, IS, manufacturing, etc. So talking about Procurement SSC, there are two main roles of Procurement SSC. The first one is to lead the sourcing process for medium and low complexity, and the second one is support the administration for almost biddings that we have. We are talking about the numbers. Since January 2017 until May 2017, there are 8 biddings led by Procurement SSC and also 206 requests and biddings supported by Procurement SSC. So with this tremendous support, my account team can be more focused on the business users, and also my sourcing team can focus on developing the right sourcing strategy in order to sustain the contributions. So once again, I would like to thank Procurement SSC.
Hi everyone, I'm Guy from Procurement TM Thailand. Starting in March 2017, Procurement Shared Service support us on administrative activity and sourcing services. So we finished our sourcing plan and full biddings. With PSSC, I and my team have more time to focus on our strategic sourcing and collaborating with our stakeholders. So I would like to thank PSSC on their timely and speedy services. So thank you very much. ขอบคุณค่ะ
Hi, I'm Belinda from Procurement Singapore. We are one of the pilot countries that migrated our back office activities to Procurement SSC earlier this year. The team has been following up promptly and putting in their best effort. We trust and rely on the team in managing most of our transactional work so that we can focus a lot on our strategic sourcing as well as stakeholder management. We thank you very much, Procurement SSC, and keep up the good work.
As we now move into another phase of this transformation, now focusing on tactical sourcing, we move again with another big leap towards our ultimate vision of retaining a purely strategic procurement team in the local affiliate. This, of course, is a welcome change for us. As the landscape of our business in the Philippines become more and more challenging year on year, I believe this transformation enables the business to quickly feel the impact and see more tangible results, which is something we expect that they eventually expect from us. On Henry's first day here, I actually challenged him to make sure that he does not only focus on the work itself, but also start building the relationship with the business users, as I believe this relationship and trust building is a continuous process. And ultimately, I believe when the business users trust the SSC, I think everything else will follow smoothly as planned. Thank you and have a good day.
Okay, so for the benefits, I think our team will be able to focus on strategic sourcing and really do category management.
Hi, this is Jacqueline from the Australian procurement team. Just to share some learnings on the mid-office migration activities we've been doing probably since late February. So I've been working closely with TS and Tina mainly, and the SSC and Ivan as well, to train them up on handling vendor creation and maintenance requests on our side. It was easy to transfer processes across. I think the challenge is transferring knowledge that we have of our internal stakeholders and the different levels of support that we do give to different stakeholders as well. The other challenge was processes are not all documented, so transferring head knowledge to them, so heads off to the girls for being able to take all that on. I think the one thing you have to be mindful of, it is a time-consuming process initially, so short-term pain for long-term gain. But you have to make yourself available every day to be able to tackle and provide answers quickly to them so that there's no hold up in the process. I do look forward to continue working with them because it's going to be an ongoing working relationship, close working relationship, to ensure that the level of service is not diluted or diminished, and that our internal stakeholders don't see a difference with the services coming from us in Australia or in Indonesia. So, thank you.
Finally, are we done? Definitely not. We continuously improve, and together with Finance Services Center, we are preparing to welcome integrated business services and Sirius. Procurement Asia IM&S. Continuously improving, continuously evolving.